Citrix How-To: Troubleshooting Zen Mobile using Cerebro tool. To begin, go to citrix.com/downloads and log in with your username and password. Once logged in, go ahead and select the Zen Mobile product and select the subfolder of tools. There, you will find the Zen Mobile Cerebro tool. From here, go ahead and scroll down and download the tool. Once downloaded, go ahead and open up the Cerebro UI to begin NetScaler analysis. The main page has three ways to analyze NetScaler Gateway. The first is online analysis, if the NetScaler Gateway can be reachable from the machine where Cerebro is running. In this case, Cerebro will run configuration checks and connectivity checks with the backend server. The second option is offline analysis if you already have the ns.conf file obtained from the NetScaler Gateway server. Finally, we have the NetScaler log analysis, where you can analyze an ns.log file obtained from the NetScaler Gateway server that was created when there was an error. We will first start with online analysis. To begin, enter the NetScaler management IP address, the username and password to log in to the administrative console. Please note that this is not the same address that you use when you connect from a mobile device. If you have Kerberos configured on your virtual server, you'll get the dialog below to provide the username and user certificate, which is a .pem file. Please provide these details and click on OK. If you don't wish to check for Kerberos configurations, click on the Cancel button. Please note at this point that if you have more than one virtual server on the NetScaler box, you'll be prompted to select which of the following virtual servers you would like to analyze. Cerebro will then connect to the NetScaler Gateway server and start its configuration analysis and backend server connectivity analysis. It will display the analysis report screen as shown below. In the configuration analysis results section, you will be presented with the status of the configuration checks and any recommended configuration changes. Note that if there's an issue, it will show up in red, otherwise it will be green. Likewise, in the bottom connectivity results section, there are red and green icons displaying whether the various parts of NetScaler Gateway are reachable from the Cerebro machine. For example, it tests whether the LDAP server machine is reachable, whether the port is open, and whether an LDAP service is running on that machine. Likewise, it checks AppC, the STA, and a few other parameters to see if they're reachable and if there's no ports being blocked between the Cerebro machine and these various components. Here, you can see that we have an issue in the configuration analysis results section. Here, the issue is that clientless access is set to off. We're going to go ahead and open up our management console for NetScaler Gateway and go to our virtual server to make the appropriate changes. This specific fix is under Policies and then under Client Experience, where we turn clientless access back to on. Once we've made our appropriate changes, we're going to click OK to save our virtual server. Now that we've made the appropriate fix, we're going to go back to the Cerebro tool and return to the home page in order to refresh the results. Go ahead and select Online Analysis again, and then let's click the Start Analysis button to refresh the results. Now you can see that our issue has been fixed. It is now showing a green icon. Now that all of the items in the Configuration Analysis Results section are green, we're going to move on to our connectivity results. The first issue is our STA server, which is not reachable. So, we're going to hop back over to our NetScaler console and go ahead and open up the virtual server again. Let's go to Published Applications, where the STAs are located, and as we can see, this STA issue is down. Because we already have another STA, we can go ahead and uncheck this and make it deactivated. Again, we can jump back to our Cerebro tool and refresh the icons using the Start Analysis from the home page. Please note, it may take a few seconds for the icons in the connectivity results to turn red or green. As you can see, the STA server is now green because we removed the faulty address. Now let us step back and show you a unique feature of the Cerebro tool. For example, let's say we have an issue in our configuration analysis results section. If you click on the little information icon next to the issue, it will bring you to the eDocs website on support.citrix.com, which will give you more information on this issue and ways to possibly fix it. Just as an example, this eDoc article is showing us how to turn on and off clientless access. Now that you know how to get more information and fix configuration analysis results issues, we're going to show you advanced results. So if you go into the top right corner, click Advanced Results, you get a menu of different options, including split tunneling, share file, and web receiver, if these are configured on your virtual server. Each item that you select will add a new line to your configuration analysis results section with either a green or a red icon, depending on if there is an issue or not with this section. As you can see, split tunneling seems to be working, but if we go ahead and select Share File, we will see that it's not been configured, so it has a red icon next to it. Another thing you can do with Cerebro is to analyze multiple vServers on the same NetScaler box. So here we have a new setup that has multiple vServers on it. And you can see when you start analysis, you'll be asked to select which vServers you would like to analyze. If you select multiple vServers, you can toggle between the two at the top of the Cerebro tool using the drop-down menu. Offline Analysis. Now from the home page, select Offline Analysis and go ahead and navigate to your ns.conf file that you previously obtained from your NetScaler gateway. If you have multiple vServers, please select the one that you would like to analyze and go ahead and click OK to analyze the conf file. In this instance, you will only see configuration analysis results because we are not directly connecting to a live NetScaler gateway. Similar to online analysis, you will see the red and the green icons indicating whether each component is working or not working. Error log analysis. From the home menu, go ahead and navigate to NetScaler log analysis, which is the third of the three options. Select your log file from the file system and go ahead and click Analyze All. In this instance, we don't have any recommendations or there was no errors found, but this may differ from log to log. For additional ZenMobile troubleshooting, please watch the ZenMobile Cerebro CLI tool video, or visit Citrix eDocs at support.citrix.com/proddocs.